As I edge this sidewalk, you can see I'm literally adding 6 to 8 inches, depending on the soil, to my sidewalk. It's just amazing that the soil had moved forward and the grass grew on it, and I just didn't even realize how much sidewalk I was missing. So we can check this off the list. It's nice to have a smooth, nice line. And as you can see, some of the soil was a lot over onto the sidewalk. So our next step, we're digging up some plants. When I go to dig up plants, especially in poor soil, Joe did this shovel for me. It's just a husky shovel, but then see how he trimmed it so it was more pointed, and then he made these little serrations in there, and it will just go through soil like you wouldn't believe. The plants are dug out. So they're all in pots. I'm going to go move them into the shade. The only thing I have left are the irises right there and over there in the grass. I'm trimming the aspens. We always want an angle so that the water can just run off. So no matter if the cut is big or small, you want an angle. This aspen was basically dead, and so I left one side shoot, and that's going to become the main tree. And all the energy from those roots will just go to this branch. Joe's chainsaw to cut down this dead one. I would have filmed me doing it, but I was afraid I might have it fall onto the camera. We're finished for the day. I'm going to water it and just really just soak it so that tomorrow we can start the bulbs, the cardboard, and the soil. As always, like, subscribe, share with the world, and come back for our next episode of Making a Garden Room.